A nest dessert with strawberry is perfect for your Christmas. Let's start by adding a cup of strawberries in a pan. Then let's add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Squeeze juice from 1 lemon into it. Then add 50 milliliters of water and mix everything together thoroughly. Let's leave it until it turns into a jelly. And folks, it is almost at the ideal point. Now let's add 1 packet of strawberry flavor gelatin and mix it again until it dissolves well. Once it dissolves, we can remove it and transfer it to a shaped container of your preference. Then, we just need to put it in the refrigerator until it solidifies. In a container, we will add 400 grams of cream, 395 grams of condensed milk, and we will mix it all together very well. Now let's add 1 packet of unflavored gelatin that was postponed earlier. Let's mix it again, and now we are going to add 1 cup of milk, around 200 milliliters. And let's mix again. Now we will take our mixture and pour it over our already hardened strawberry gelatin. Once done, we just need to put it in the refrigerator again until it solidifies. And now, guys, let's demold it by removing the sides and the middle. Just flip it onto a plate and look at how incredible this dessert is. It's quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your home, and I'm confident everyone will love it. It will be a hit for your Christmas dinner. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe here from Pobre na Cocina. A big hug to you all until next time. And thank you.